Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to use NVIDIA control panel on PC. Let's get started. First open the NVIDIA control panel on Start menu. Once it opens, you will see a menu on the left side with all the options you can customize. Under the display section, you can change resolution, adjust desktop size and position, set up multiple displays. These settings control how your screen looks. Under 3D settings, click Manage 3D settings. Here you can adjust global settings, program settings. You can do things like texture quality, vertical sync, low latency mode, and max frame rate to optimize gameplay. If your monitor supports it, click Setup G-Sync under the display section. G-Sync to synchronize your monitor's refresh rate with your GPU. It reduces in-screen tearing and makes games smoother. After making changes, click Apply at the bottom of a game and or application to see how your new settings affects performance and visuals. You can always go back and adjust settings for better results. And that's it. Now you know the basic of using NVIDIA control panel to optimize your PC and games. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video and forgot to like, subscribe to the videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.